Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashpika. Welcome to Global Mixing Page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video, guys, we're gonna be talking about one of the secret websites where you can sell your art, your design online. So this is the series. Each and every week we introduce you to amazing new websites and new opportunities where you could sell your work online. So let's dive into today's video. Before going back, consider clicking the like button, guys. I do really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. So whenever we upload new videos, you'll be get notified about it. Also, we have the bunch of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in description box below. You can simply download it. Also, we have the free email newsletter, which you can really subscribe to it. It's 100% free. Once we get started with that, we will going to send you exclusive content regarding making money online each and every week in your email inbox. Let's talk about the secret websites. Now, I have already made a bunch of the videos talking about the various different websites and new opportunities where you can sell your work online. I'm going to leave the entire playlist in the card section above. You can check it out by yourself. But let's talk about today's website, how it's different from the other print-on-demand websites and how you can utilize to sell the work. One thing I really want to talk to you that all these are websites that I'm introducing in these videos may be suitable for you, may not be suitable for you, because depending on your unique situation and your talents and your capabilities, some of them may be for you, some of them may not be for you. But I would really love to hear your own experience with these websites if you have a one, and also what do you think about in future? Do you really want to sell on these websites? Are you looking forward to that? I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. So let me know your views, and if those websites didn't work for you, don't feel bad for yourself, don't be too hard on yourself. That's okay, because some of the websites also didn't work for me, guys, so it may happen for anyone. So don't be too hard on yourself. Just think that if you are trying 10 websites and out of the 10 websites, 2 or 3 or maybe 5 are working, that's fine. If 5 or 6 or 7 are not working, that's completely normal. That's okay. It's still you have 2 or 3 websites working and you can make money from that as well. So don't be too hard on yourself and be just chill. So let's talk about today's website, how it is different. So without further ado, let me introduce you to this website, that is the customink.com. Now, what's unique about this website and why you want to sell on this website, various things regarding it. So whenever you're gonna land on the home page of the Custom Ink, you're gonna see design custom t-shirts and more. So you're gonna see free standard delivery, upgrade to Rush, get as soon as Monday, November 29. Since it's around the holiday time, it's around the Christmas, so there are the huge sales are there, Black Friday sale, Thanksgiving sale, and all those kind of sales are there. Well, let me talk about the custom t-shirts and group gear. Okay. So what kind of product you can sell on these on this website? First of all, let's talk about that thing, and then we will going to talk about the story behind this website, who is behind this website, and how you can make money as a print-on-demand seller, as an artist, as a creative person. So the products that you can sell on this website are the t-shirts, hoodies and sweatshirts, hats, jackets, tote bags and face masks. So these are some of the products. Then also you could sell the water bottles and promotional products as well. The promotional products are kind of like a water bottle, mugs, and all those. Even the phone cases, these are some kind of products you could also sell. You could look at the shop mode brands. You could also see that, be creative. Now let's talk about their story. Who is behind this particular platform and where this company is based, so we can get the rough idea who is. Something I like about this website, guys, is that they have the email contact, even the phone number, that you can very well call them and you can talk to a real person. So that is a good thing I see from this website itself. They're having their email, their contact number, and there are a bunch of the stuffs in which you can contact them. You can ask your question, your queries, and get help from them. So that is the good thing about this website. Let's talk about their story. So get to know Custom Ink. At Custom Ink, we are about more than shirts. We are about you and everything you love, the passion you share with your group, club, or team, the excitement you have for your event or cause, and the drive that makes your business stand out from the rest. We believe that custom t-shirts do more than just make you look good. They help you feel good and inspire you to do good as well. We are passionate about custom gear, but what we love even more is helping you bring what you love to life. So let's create something together. So that's of the picture, a company with a heart and all those kind of stuff. The Custom Ink story began in 1999, so it's a pretty old website. I could a college classmate got the bug to start a business about a year after graduating. Co-founder and CEO Mark Cutts was hard at work in a Wall Street job that he says didn't have a lot of heart, and was former college roommate Mike Driscoll was tinkering with the earliest iteration of the custom Inc.com website, which would let people upload graphics onto t-shirts and buy them as special keepsakes. Though Mike was returning to graduation school, he had a handful of eager customers, and talk about Mark about launching the design online website into a legitimate business. So this is the two people who is behind them, although there are the three people who were the former graduate college students. Mark contacted another former classmate, computer whiz Dave Christensen. Mark spent long hours on his green couch, a hand-me-down from his break brother, talking to Dave on the phone and planning the business and figuring out ways to make designing and buying custom t-shirts fun, easy, and reliable. So in March 2000, Custom Ink was officially launched with a small team of inkers running the show, all from different backgrounds but with big hearts. So in 2000, this company is launched. It's almost 21 years old, so pretty old website. Core values, you can read them in 2003, growth spurts. You can read much detail about this company. I'm not gonna go in detail about their story because community of brand, which is important for me to cover over here, because that will going to cover how you can make money with this website. We believe in the power and importance of community. That's what we have always been about even before we knew it, and it's why our brand offer innovative ways to help activate and strengthen communities. Custom Ink enables people to design and order custom t-shirts and gear for their clubs, companies, charities, family reunions, and more. Through the Custom Ink fundraising tool, people can sell custom t-shirts to help individuals and organizations raise money and awareness. Represent is a social merchandising and marketing platform that helps influencers like actors, athletes, musicians, and thought leaders create and sell limited run t-shirts and merchandise to their fans and followers. So this is the thing about this particular website, about the story, but now we are still confused, like how are you going to sell on this website, whether it's a marketplace or whether it's a print-on-demand service-based company, what it is all about. So let's talk about how you're going to sell on this website and how you're going to make money on that. Now, something unique about this website is the fundraising, which is pretty amazing. Even if you are fundraising for a cause, for your business, for a family reunions, for a charity, whatever it is, this could be a website that you really need to look forward. We stand for community, empathy, and equity. So that is the thing about them. How support organizers working to end racism and bigotry and strengthen their communities, support a fundraiser. So this website is all about selling your products via campaigns that could be a fundraising campaigns. That could be also be a donations that providing value to the people in the form of these products, and in return you can raise funds for your business or for your charity or for whatever cause you want to have funds. So sell custom t-shirts, collect donations, easy. Custom Ink fundraising make raising funds and awareness risk-free. Engage your communities with custom t-shirts and more. Sell custom t-shirts and take donations with no inventory, hassles, or risk. Just design your shirt, share why you are raising, and then share your campaign. So campaign-based platform, you need to design your products first of all, whether you want to sell the t-shirts, whether you want to sell the hats, or whatever product you want to sell. You want to design your t-shirts, you want to design your products, and then you want to really specify the reason behind that particular why you want to raise that money. Obviously, if you don't have a reason, then how people will going to pay the money for this particular cause? So you really need to have a reason, and then you can share your campaign. We fill the orders and send along the funds you raise. So they're gonna fill the orders, they're gonna print that particular product, deliver to their people who have supported your fundraising campaigns, and you're gonna make money by that. Custom Ink fundraising is a great tool for any group, cause, or community. Client product first of all, guys, and you could place your design the product, whatever it looks like, sweatshirts, hoodies, t-shirts, hats, iPhone cases, whatever it is, design the cause of for raising that particular fund, whether it's for charity, family reunion, or whether it for some noble cause for business or whatever it is. Just write the cause and then promote, and then start your campaign and then promote the campaign. And once people will going to join your campaign, they're gonna pay you the money for every product. Maybe if you're selling a t-shirt, then they're gonna pay for that, and you will able to raise your funds, and also you're gonna provide the products or value to the people in exchange of the money that you're taking from. So website as well, which you can check it out. 24 days, 3,777 t-shirts sold, and they have raised the funds $117,000. And get inspired, then you could see the different people who have raised the campaigns and who are fundraisers. So you could see there someone is selling the t-shirts. First of all, you need to decide for what purpose you want to raise the funds. Okay, know your cause, and after knowing the cause, go on this website, start designing a blank product, whatever product you want to offer to the people who are providing, who is actually giving you the money for your cause. In exchange of the money, you are providing some value to those people. So designing the products, write the reason why you want to raise the funds, and then start your campaign. And once the campaign is started, start promoting it. They also have a lot more campaigns on their website as well. You can check it out. I'm going to leave the link of this website in the description box below. You can very well check it out. And also you can set the time limit of your campaigns, like 15 days, a month, or 7 days, whatever it is. And you can set the campaigns a deadline so that people would see, okay, this is a deadline, so they really need to enter the fundraising in just 7 days or in just 2 days. Otherwise they won't be able to enter it, and they won't be able to support this cause. Open up your account by entering the email address and the password, and then you can sign up for this website. Or even if you can actually go with the Facebook as well, and you can continue with the Google, Gmail as well, whatever suits best for you. But you can raise the funds to make money as well, and also to raise the funds for your cause, and also selling the products to the people in exchange of the money that you're collecting for your cause. So this is an amazing website if you're really looking forward collecting the donations or fundraising campaigns, or even initiating a kind of like a campaign where you're selling something. Then you really need to look into this website. They have a lot many products. I already talk about that. Let me know in the comment section below, guys. Are you really going for this website? If you're looking forward for generating funds for your cause, are you going to try this, or have you ever tried this particular website? Does it work very well for you? Do you have any kind of experience with that? I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.